Hello again YouTube, and well, there's a box on the table, and I think you know who this is from. A quick note before we get stuck into this one though, I just want to highlight that this particular parcel is really what happens when you can be patient. I remember when I first got into collecting silver and gold, I was kind of like frantically trying to get hold of all of the things, because all of the things were so exciting for right now. Whereas what we're going to open up here is basically the accumulation of kind of little bits and pieces I've been picking up and waiting for delivery on for about the last 2 or 3 months. So this is going to be a very big unboxing by my standards. I'm actually feeling a little embarrassed by quite how much is going to be presented here, but here we go. Okay, so what's on top? It is number one. I say number one. My number one, the first for me, of the 2019 Silver 4 and 1 ounce bars. And this one is in fact number 103. Have a lovely look there. Looking immaculate as always. Now next up, you might have seen a little glimmer of that most precious of metals. Yes, we have here a bright shiny new, I say bright shiny new, we have an old, not too old, and in very nice condition, Elizabeth II sovereign from, what year is this? (1958), and the key thing for me really is this is back when they made sovereigns out of, something that actually looks like gold rather than the very reddish kind of coppery colour we get on them nowadays. Look at that, and see how much luster is still left in this thing. Lovely, lovely piece. We have another 1 ounce silver 4 bar. Check out the ripple marks on this one. Those are some deep ass ripples. Not ass ripples, that would be weird. So this is number 101. And if you're feeling very cunning, you might have picked up maybe you know what the next thing I'm going to pull out of the box is going to be. It is a third 1 ounce silver 4 bar. And this one is number 102. Again, just check out the ripples on that. So I've got a nice little trio going of 1, 2, 3. Well, okay, 101, 102, 103. Now these fetching green numbers are 2 months worth of the Tetris Club pieces. Again, these are just such lovely, lovely little lumps to be getting in the post. So 3 of them, because I have been doing this for long enough now that I am getting another bonus piece. So I think, can't be a year already, can it? I'm not sure, I'd have to look it up. But I suspect that once I add these in to the Tetris block, I may well be half, or maybe even more than halfway there. The Tetris Club, I know I've talked about it before, but I see it as being kind of, I see it as being kind of better than Patreon. It's a way that I get to show a bit of support for BYB and, support his channel and the stuff he does, kind of with the group board and stuff for the community, but, I also get some silver out of it. So some really, really lovely examples. I mean, really, that's the thing with BYB. Every single time he just knocks it out of the park with making these really gorgeous little pieces, like the ripples, just the ripples. But there's more, because as I say, this has been a long time coming, so there's quite a bit in here. So lastly, we have another hand-poured silver bar, and this one is the biggest piece of this parcel by weight, at least. It's a BYB not quite 100 gram bar. When he poured this and measured it up, it came to 99.99. So to save it from the melting pot, he put it up on the forum, and I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm up for that. That sounds like a fun little thing to have in my collection. So 99.9 grams of 999 silver. Let's a very big delivery of some very, very, very nice pieces of shiny, and I am incredibly happy with that. Alright, that'll do for now. I'm going to have some more coin-related stuff coming up in the near future. In particular, I'm planning on doing stuff other than unboxings, and hopefully going to be getting back to a little more of a steady release schedule. I think weekly was just going to prove to be a little too troublesome, so we will see, and I will also have a good look at how this 4K footage has turned out, and if that turned out alright, maybe you'll be seeing more of it in the future. Alright, bye for now.